Several farmers in 12 villages from 4 parishes in Abanga sub-county Zombo district are counting losses after their crops were destroyed by heavy rains. The heavy rains that started at around 5 p.m. on Tuesday evening left a huge trail of destruction in the villages of Obayo, Alishudu, Ser, Abibarem, Achana, Pamitogira, Abongo village, Pakada Trading Center, Alengu, Malara, Uduk, Odarlembe, Nyoka, among others. Openji Terencio, the chairperson LC1 Pakada Trading Center village, says the heavy downpour destroyed crops like beans, maize, coffee, and cassava that form the staple food for the local people in Alur land.
Mushako oya mapodi ko dembe ka koto mondo ko pay madong wiwa sheke nyotire ma yitore munini wangwa o cheke yengire pinyo betimire dong kodi le mutimire eni dano dong shana wiya bi ko ni wangeongo pe kumwa wakwa government unen bangwa.
Meanwhile, Teresa Aqueo, one of the affected farmers, has urged the district to act swiftly and rescue the situation, as residents in the affected villages have nothing to depend on as their crops were destroyed.
Shanu benega magwei pi pay mu binuchui iwa eko di pay manaka podi zo ya banga epe. Dong pay ene binuchui chui maraj ka wone nyotu ngur wabe kwanyi ngura kwanya mangoje chobu kwanyi redengo komlembe eni ekteru ngeungeji mo bora kecha wabi kuwane nedi ko family mo zo pacho zo daru ni nyotirigo.
Peter Ongwech, a farmer in Abanga, says a number of households that depend on agriculture for survival are living in fear of hunger given the magnitude of destruction.
At around 5, it was raining, so this rain caused a lot of destruction, hailstorms. We have coffee, bananas, maize, cassava. We are really calling for support from the government, NGOs, any willing body to come and rescue us. Because we have feeding program in the school, our crops are now all destroyed.
However, Honorable Richard Awekunimungu, Chairperson Local Council 3 Abanga Sub-County, says they have informed Zombo District authorities about the incidents and appeal to them to carry out an assessment for possible intervention. Honorable Awekunimungu urges other non-governmental organizations working in the district to help the affected farmers with relief items for survival.
I'm calling upon the government, more especially the Office of Prime Minister, to come and give support to my people. As you can see there, those are some affected farmers who have come to seek for support from the sub-county. And we as a sub-county, as it is a natural disaster, in a sub-county we don't have the budget for such disaster. Because if they don't give, in some months to come, in some years to come, we shall experience a lot of poverty, and there will be no school fees for our children. So government should take this into consideration.
Early this year, a devastating rain with hailstorm also left a trail of destruction in Zeu and Alanga sub-counties, destroying food crops and deroofing permanent and semi-permanent structures. The destruction in Abanga sub-county comes at a time when locals and leaders have been repeatedly calling for increased budget for disaster management. Alfred Jawok, West Nile TV, Nilecast.